grain, what are they supposed to call this thing now? Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be taking you along with me to go grocery shopping. There's something I want to do this particular month, February, is to eat healthy. And if you want to eat healthy, you need to plan a bit. That's why I'm going to buy at least groceries that I'll be using for the next 1 week. I've never vlogged, so I don't even know what I should be showing you or what I shouldn't be showing you. But I'll be taking you along to get these things. But when we get back, I'll show you everything that I bought. So let's go. This is the Delta, the Efron Bridge. Efron roundabout bridge. We are here. Woo, woo. So I just got to Delta Mall. I'm going to shop right now. I don't know if you can hear me, but yeah, the only mall that we have. ShopRite is the only mall we have. The first thing I want to take is lemon. Lucky, let me pick one basket. My PA for the day is here.
It's okay.
Huh? Anyway, since I'm starting February with healthy living, I've told myself that I want to take one last Coke. Yeah? One last Coke before we go to healthy living. I say don't drink Coke. Why? Coke is life. But no, Coke is not life. Healthy living. So it turned out that you can't even make videos in ShopRite. So I was just lucky to make those few ones that I showed you earlier. I later had someone come and touch me in the back and say, "Oh, are you making videos? Please, you cannot make videos in ShopRite. We don't allow it. You can take pictures, but you cannot make videos." I said, "Eh?" I had no idea. I didn't want anyone to disgrace me, so I had to stop filming. As you can see, I had to change my outfit. When I got back, I was so tired. I was sweating. I had to have my bath, and then I had to change to something else. And I was supposed to say, okay, let me make this video tomorrow, but I said, let me just use my last strength to do it because we're trying to leave disorganization and procrastination in January. So let me start showing you what I got. The first thing I got is the Himalayan pink salt. Himalayan pink salt. If you've heard of saltwater flush, Himalayan pink salt is what you can use for saltwater flush, or you use salt water. So I'm going to be using this tomorrow because the whole of January, all I was doing was eat rubbish. I'm going to use this for cleansing my body. If you don't know how it works, I'm going to document it and post it on my YouTube video. So that's what I'll be doing first. And then the second thing I got is the lemon. I got lemon because I'll also be making my detox drink that I will take for about 3 days, because when you have eaten so many rubbish and you are trying to start living healthy, one thing you need to do is to make sure that you detox. So I bought lemon. I also got mint leaves, because you need mint leaves for the detox drink that I'm going to do after doing my saltwater flush. So I got mint. I got about 2. I'm actually doing this video in my normal spot because a lot of things are happening in the kitchen now. I also got ginger. I'll also be adding ginger to the detox drink. Another thing that I got is cucumber. It's also going to help me make the detox drink. I will make it and then I'll still post that result, or my making it or my taking it on my channel. So if you want to learn how to detox, I'll post that on my channel. So I got spinach. I got spinach because I want to do a green smoothie. So I also got the kale bunch. I don't know, I've never had this before, but I shall got it. Then I got snack because no sugar crackers. Everything is showing upside down because I'm actually using my front camera. I got 2. I'll be eating it when I'm hungry. Instead of going to drink my lovely Coke or eat chocolate, I'll be taking crackers. So I got, I also got blueberries. I really want to add this to my yogurt. I also got strawberry. This one that people are doing. So let me do 2. I got strawberries. So I'll be adding this to my smoothies. I also got apple. Yay! So many. I think this is about 2,200 naira. That's how much I got it. I got grapes because I want to be eating a lot of fruits. And then I got oats. I'll be taking this in the morning. And then I got peanut butter. I'll be taking this with wheat bread. It's for toast. I just take 1 or 2. So peanut butter is actually a healthy fat. The other thing that I got is the almond milk. The last time I took it, I didn't like it, but because we're doing healthy living again, maybe I'll just take it for like 1 week or 2 weeks. I got chicken breasts, healthy protein, because healthy, we are healthy together. So I got chicken breasts. That is all I got for today, and I'm very excited that I completed this video. If you enjoyed this video, please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for all of you that are subscribed to my YouTube channel. And if you like this video, please leave a thumbs up to this video, and also see you on my next video, because I'll be posting something about either the saltwater flush or the detox drink that I'll be doing. So if this is something that you're interested in, watch out for my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.